Hello everyone, and if there's one thing I've learned over the years, it's that the key to unlocking opportunities is continuous learning. More importantly, I'm thrilled that AI is becoming increasingly accessible to everyone. Whether you're a student, a seasoned professional, or simply curious about this game-changing technology, there's never been a better time to dive in. We've curated a list of the top 6 free AI courses offered by LinkedIn Learning. These courses are designed specifically for beginners, so no prior experience is required. The first course is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, provides the perfect launchpad for your AI journey. This course cuts through the hype and offers a clear, concise overview of AI's core concepts and technologies. You'll gain a solid understanding of how AI works and its potential impact on your life and career. By the end of this chapter, you'll be equipped with the foundational knowledge to engage in meaningful conversations about AI. Ready to tap into your creative potential? In this chapter, we'll dive into the captivating world of Midjourney, a powerful AI tool that allows you to transform text into stunning images. Led by AI expert Nick Horace, this course will empower you to bring your imagination to life. You'll learn the ins and outs of using Midjourney's intuitive interface to generate unique and captivating visuals. Prepare to be amazed by what you can achieve with the power of generative AI at your fingertips. In this chapter, we'll take your AI skills to the next level by exploring the OpenAI Assistance API. This powerful tool allows developers to integrate cutting-edge AI capabilities, like those found in ChatGPT, directly into their applications. They'll guide you step by step through the process of accessing and utilizing the OpenAI API, providing clear explanations and practical examples along the way. You'll discover how to build AI-powered chatbots and create intelligent assistants for your projects. Join us for a thought-provoking discussion on the transformative power of generative AI with podcast host and entrepreneur Joe Casabona. In this chapter, we'll explore how AI is reshaping the future of work, creativity, and innovation across industries. Joe will share his insights on the potential impact of AI on various professions, from writing and design to marketing and software development. This chapter goes beyond the technical aspects of AI, encouraging you to think critically about its broader implications. In today's data-driven world, the ability to analyze and interpret information is more crucial than ever. In this chapter, they'll show you how to combine the power of Excel with the intelligence of ChatGPT to unlock new levels of efficiency and insight in your data analysis workflows. You'll learn how to use ChatGPT to automate repetitive tasks, generate insightful reports, and even ask complex questions about your data using natural language. Whether you're a data analyst, business professional, or student, this chapter will equip you with valuable skills to enhance your data analysis capabilities. As we embrace the transformative potential of AI, it's crucial to consider its ethical implications and potential impact on society. In this final chapter, we'll delve into the critical conversation surrounding AI ethics. Exploring the responsible development and deployment of this powerful technology, we'll discuss key ethical considerations such as bias in algorithms, data privacy, and the potential displacement of jobs. Join us as we navigate the complex landscape of AI ethics and explore how we can harness its power for good. Congratulations! You've now had a glimpse into the exciting world of AI and the incredible opportunities it holds. By exploring these 6 free courses offered by LinkedIn Learning, you've taken the first step towards unlocking your potential in this transformative field. Enroll in these courses today by clicking the links provided in the description and embark on your AI journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.